here with the 1957 Porsche Tractor, the P133. It has 42 horsepower. It's got the 3-cylinder diesel engine. It's got these aftermarket attachments from Pippen. It's one of only 3 that were imported to the United States with these attachments. Let's take a look at this thing. This is a 3-cylinder diesel tractor with a 5-speed transmission. It's got about 42 horsepower. See the badging on it, Porsche 133, just really pretty great. About 1,000 of these Porsche diesel tractors were imported to the US between 1956 and 1962. This 57 Porsche tractor, the 133 model, features the 42 horsepower air-cooled diesel 3-cylinder engine. It comes equipped with this aftermarket Model 355 front-end loader and the Model 360 backhoe. Both of these Pippin accessories are just so rare. I think it's like one of 3 in the US that had these factory accessories on them. These attachments were specially adapted for these tractors by the Windsor Pippin Corporation in Windsor, Vermont. So this thing, when it was originally bought and imported to the US, this family was related to the Porsche diesel dealer in the 1950s, and he was personally involved in the initiative to have these attachments equipped for Porsche tractors. So that's pretty neat. It got a comprehensive refurbishment about 18 years ago. These highly collectible P133s are now popping up here and there. Pretty rare to find them out here on the market. It's in the original red color. It has a 12-volt electrical system. The headlights and the tail lights and the side bench seat, all accessories. The tan driver's seat was a standard color. The 16-inch front wheels and the 28-inch rear wheels have new tires. It's an 11.2 28 Farmer AS tire on the back, and we've got a standard Alpha tire on the front, and that is the size 6.5 by 16. It's got the power takeoff shafts back here, the PTOs. They're fully functional, making the Pippin 355 front end and the 360 backhoe operate. These attachments can be unbolted and removed without any cutting or welding on the tractor at all. It completely comes off. So if you want to bring this thing back down to the Porsche P133 bare bones without the attachments, totally possible. If you want to have like an absolutely unique talking piece, use the backhoe and the bucket and have some fun with it on your farm or at the next Cars and Coffee. This air-cooled engine is about 2.5 liters, 2,467 cc's, and it delivers about 42 horsepower, about 90 foot-pounds of torque to the rear wheels. The power is transferred through this manual gearbox. It's got 5 forward gears and 1 reverse gear. That was all mechanically refurbished and is in good running order about 18 years ago, all totally operational and functional and ready to serve. So, starting procedure is pretty simple. You take it from the dead stop mode, pull the throttle back to give it some fuel, turn the key on. It's got the 2 batteries here. They're brand new in 25, it's back in December. And then we go down here, make sure we're in neutral, pull the start. Throttle it back down a little bit. Get a nice level setting. This thing's pretty cool. All right, let's take a look at the bucket up front. So we got the bucket up and down. Tilt the bucket. Behind me, we've got the backhoe. Backhoe's pretty cool. Got the seat. Just come back here to the seat. And then we have the controls for the bucket. All right, let's take a look. So these are the stabilizers for the bucket. left and right. All right, and then we have the controls for the bucket itself. So here we have left and right. That's what this one here does. Next one over is up and down. And then we have the bucket tilt. So this one here is going to be the extender. And then we have the bucket dump and raise. Everything has been meticulously restored on this one. All in working condition. All right. We'll pull the stabilizers up and we'll get ready for a little road test. So what you do here is you set your base throttle here, your idle setting, and then here you have a foot throttle to raise the RPM slightly. Down here with my foot. This is the brake, and over on the left is the clutch. All right, so off we go. All right, so here we're gonna go. We'll start off in first gear. It's a 5-speed transmission on the P133, 42 horsepower. Here we go. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. And smooth as a whistle into fifth gear. And here we go. Just cruising down the road on the old sandy farm trail in our Porsche P133 tractor, 1957. Clearly this is the way to go. I mean, you've got the versatility as a garden tool implement on the farm. You can use it as a conversation piece with just very rare accessories installed, or take it all off and bring it back down to the bare bones P133. 3-cylinder performance with almost 40 horsepower, 90 foot-pounds of torque, and 5 forward gears. Take it out to Laguna Seca at the Rennsport reunion coming up in the next 2 years, and try your luck out there.